Hi, my name's Chris. I brought my son Gabriel here for some ongoing mouth issues, and the doctors really helped him and got most of it situated. She put him into a tooth pillow, which has really helped with his sleeping and his snoring. And then we moved over to a mouth spacer, which has really improved his overall health and sleeping. And the doctor's been great, walked us through the whole process, really explained everything step by step, and it's been great.